Hello everyone, this is a 2015 Cobalt 220S, fresh trade. Got this awesome white hull side with the red boot stripe and the black bottom. Got this nice transom walk-through area. This boat's in fantastic shape. At the midship, as you can see, those classic Cobalt looks and layout. Our captain seat can fold either facing forward or completely flat. Have a nice backrest here so that I can sit rear facing. Very, very nice and convenient seating arrangements, especially on a 22-foot runabout. At the helm, got our audio control, standard gauges, trim indicator, our push button controls, and toggle switches right there. Our throttle, our seat has the bolster cushion as well too. So if you need to get a little bit more clearance over your windshield, you've definitely got it. Plenty of seating space here in the bow as well too. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself.